What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. I'm back with another video today. And I think I have 4 or 5 videos that are waiting to be published, and I haven't published one in like 2 weeks. And now I got one more video. I think we're just going to make one video today because it's kind of late, and I just want to get these out of the box because I think I'm going to return these. I thought you might act unhappy with that decision.
I can't remember which one's there.
Okay. But I do think I'm going to return these. But I need to get them out of the box so that I can return them because I just don't think we're going to wear them. But we'll see. I'll make the decision when we open them. Before we go any further, we have to have a word from our sponsor. Hey, who's our sponsor?
Jesus.
I've got 2 words from our sponsor today, actually. This is Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 13. I've got this in my parallel Bible. I'm going to read this from NIV, NLT, NKJV, and the Message, if I can actually find the one-to-one, but I think I can, because the Message is paraphrased and isn't one-to-one for verses. You will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. I will be found by you, declares the Lord, and I'll bring you back from captivity. You will seek me and find me when you seek me. There. And verse 13 in the New Living Translation, if you look for me wholeheartedly, you'll find me. I will be found by you, says the Lord. In KJV, and you will seek me and find me, and I will listen to you. So it adds something a little bit extra there. I'm going to listen to you also. And you will seek me and find me when you search for me with all your heart. And then the Message paraphrase, when you come looking for me, you'll find me. Yes, when you get serious about finding me and want it more than anything else, I'll make sure that you won't be disappointed. All right, that's Old Testament, Jeremiah chapter 29, 13. And now we're in James 4:8. Thank you. This is very similar. Come near to me and come near to God, and he will come near to you. Wash your hands, you sinners, and purify your hearts. Okay, that's not what I care about. I care about the beginning part. Come near to me, and come near to God, and he will come near to you. New Living Translation. Come close to God, and God will come close to you. New King James Version. This is almost exactly. This is great. Draw near to God. It's a little bit different. Draw near to God, and he will draw near to you. And then the Message 8. So let God work his will in you. Yell aloud no to the devil and watch him make himself scarce. Say a quiet yes to God, and he will be there in no time. That's a nice one. That's actually the part that's verse 13. Again, that's paraphrased. This paragraph says verse 7 to 10, but that's really the 13 part. Say a quiet yes to God, and he'll be there in no time. And I like the way some of these change, like ask for me wholeheartedly, and then this one says say a quiet yes to God, and what? And he'll be there in no time. And this is just something that when we heard this, I think, was this from church the other day?
I think so.
I think it was. From our message from one of our pastors, she said both of them, James 4:8 and Jeremiah 29:13. Oh, nice job. It just reminded me of a time in my life where I was fine. I wasn't like some kind of rock bottom in some terrible place. But as far as my relationship with God, it was far from fine. And I rolled out of bed one day and I was like, God, you're going to have to show up for this. Like, I want you to, if that's what you want, but it's going to have to be you. You're going to have to do this. And I was earnest with it. I didn't necessarily think he was going to move that day, but he did in a really big way. And all I had to do was really just say a quiet yes. There was a wholeheartedly like, yeah, I want you to. I don't think you're going to, probably, but I want you to. So there was some wholeheartedly to it, and there was some quiet, just, I'm going to say yes to you because, hey, if you move for real, if I feel your presence for real, then I'll know that it's you. So that was just something that hit me really hard last Sunday. I want to make sure I gave it to y'all. So let me know what y'all think about that one. If y'all have any comments on those 2 words from our sponsor, let me know down below. Yeah. All right, so these came up on sneakers. Today is, you're not going to see this for a while probably, but these came out, what's today? May the 14th or 15th, maybe? Yeah. Something along those lines. And these came out, I don't know, about a week ago, maybe a little bit more. I think they've been sitting here for
I know what these
they
are.
were probably like 10 days. And there have been several different colorways that look similar to this, and I haven't been able to pick up a single one of them. I was able to get these, and they're going, I think they cost like $220, the retail price, and they're going aftermarket for like $150, which is the reason why I want to return them, because I also just don't want to spend $200. I just don't want to spend $220 on these shoes anymore, unless I get them, and I'm just like, unless I take them out, and I'm just like, man, these things are really cool. I just don't think that's going to be the case. If you didn't remember before now, Peyton, you'll remember it right here.
Yeah. The box is gorgeous.
It is a nice box, and this is a women's. It's pink and it's women's. Women's Air Jordan 4 Retro Tex, T-E-X. I'm not sure what that is. Pearl Pink Iced Carmine. That's the name of these. Iced Carmine. They're the Carmines. Carmine, iced carmine, I guess, because we know that carmine is more of a normal red color like the Carmine 6s. These did go up to extended sizes, so this is a size 12.5, 11 in men's. The box is nice, like she said, nice and white. I don't know, that's some icy white.
Yeah.
Like, it seems whiter than
reflects,
normal. Yeah. Like eggshell white or something. Mm-hmm. Cool paper. Similar paper to what we get in 4s, spatter. All pretty cool stuff, I guess. Nothing too crazy, but it's nice. Yeah. I was afraid of two things on these, of not liking two different things, and I don't like those two things. So the two things that I don't like is these are too yellow. You remember the acid washed dunks that look like not plaque, tartar. Tooth tartar. That's what that reminds me of. Kind of not so nice. I don't think these are quite as yellow, so these are not quite as bad. But then you put this canvas. The canvas just isn't for me. If there was more of this really shaggy suede, I think I would like them more. I do like the shape is good. We got the more visible, which the shape should be good, because since this change where there's more visible netting here, just a wider strip of it, the toe shape has been right. So I like the icy back tab with the pink Jumpman on it. Pink Jumpman here, like they're nice, but not gonna do it for me. Dream Cell insole, meh. Normal insole. I feel like I remember something might have been a little different with the other one. I actually like the darker pink stitching around the flight tag, the Air Jordan that's upside down on the back of the tongue. Yeah, they're nice, but not nice enough. You're not crazy about them, are you? Good, because they're going back to Nike. But thanks Nike for letting me make a video on these for free and taking the free shipping to put them back on the shelf. I appreciate you. I did think that I probably wanted these shoes, but I was just worried about this, and yeah, I don't like that. I do like the icy wings are okay. I don't hate those, and the icy back tabs, okay. I don't hate it. I like the icy outsole if it just wasn't so yellow, but the pink icy is nice. So, anything else to say about this one?
Nope.
Tell your grandma about the Carmine Jordan 4, pink iced Carmine Jordan 4. Tell your grandma about Jeremiah and James 4:8, Jeremiah 29:13.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet Jeremiah 29:13, James 4:8. Smash the like button, and I'll see you all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose.
Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute. Wow.
What's that?
Jordan 3 Black Cement.